Hi, this is Jim Gordon of the Legislative Services Division of the Montana State Legislature. This instructional video will demonstrate how to create a preference account for the first time. Understand that a preference account is required in order to create a preference list. To utilize laws to its fullest, that is, to the point of having and maintaining a preference list for the session, is a four-step process. 1. You must create the account. 2. You log into the account. 3. You create the list. And finally, 4. Add bills to the list. Creating a preference list and adding bills and drafts to the list are demonstrated in other instructional videos. This video will demonstrate how to create a preference account. From the main session information page, click the Lookup Bill Information link. At the bottom of the Lookup Bill Information screen, just above the footer, are two preference account related links. The Establish a Preference Account link will allow you to create a new preference account. It should be noted, if you are a returning preference account user in any session since and including 2011, you may already have access to that account for the current session. If this is so, you would not need to create a new preference account. More information can be found in the README link to the right of the preference account creation link. If you may have had an account in a previous session, please read this carefully. If you need a reminder of your account information, including your password, click the Contact Us link located at the bottom of the page and send an email to the Law's webmaster. Make sure to include any information you can remember in the email. Okay, so if you've determined you need a new preference account, click the link to establish a new preference account. From the account creation page, enter the required information. Although not required, it is best to include your email address. This address is considered the owner of the account, and any communication to the Law's webmaster, such as a forgotten password, will only be made to that address. Also note that once created, usernames cannot be changed. Choose your username carefully. Enter a password. Confirm the password. And click the Save button. If the username you selected has not been previously used and all the information meets the requirements noted on the page, a screen will display confirming creation of the account and displaying the information used to create it. Okay, so now you've created your account, the first step of the four-step process. If you are ready to start working with your account, you can complete step 2 by clicking the Log On to Account link on the current page and logging in to the account you just created using the information you provided. Alternately, you can return to Laws and log in to your new account at another time. The remaining steps are described in other instructional videos. Log on to an existing preference account, creating a preference list, and adding bills to a preference list. If you're not ready to start working with your account, you can return to Laws by clicking the Return to Laws link. Return to the main Laws page by clicking the dome in the header.